Hello friends, welcome to back my channel Vijay Tutor. Today's topic is so many viewers and so many students asked this question and sent the mail and the questions. So many colors are available Western hard disk. The mail is the green color, blue color, black color, purple color, red color, gold color. What are the this colors meaning? What are the utilizing which color to use which purpose? That's why I cleared that very short video. Please observe this video starting to till in the very short video. Thanking you once again, your Vijay tutorial. Let us go to the video. Thank you. Hello friends, what's up? Hi guys, welcome to back my channel Vijay tutorial. Today I will explain so many viewers and so many students asked the art is so many colors available market. What are this meaning? Asked. That's why I make it a short video, very informative video. Watch the till the end. Very simple video. The Western hard disk drive. The Western green color is power efficiency, light, everyday usage purpose. Utilizing this one. The another one Western blue general purpose computing purpose using. The Western purple color high performance gaming and heavy workload users, just like content creators and editors. That the Western black NASA environmental RAID setup is used. This is the NASA setup. The Western red is a surveillance system 24 into 7, right heavily red setup. It is the I also used ATM also. The Western gold enterprises class data container mission critical workload is this utilizing this models.